Oh, crap. Forgot to turn off the space heater. Man, I always forget to turn off the space heater. Well, for today's video, I'm going to be cleaning my desk. And, oh, shoot. Gosh, I dropped that on the floor. Oh, man, I don't want to get that dirty. Oh, 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 shake it out. Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it out. And I am taking some advice from the coin dealers, and I am going to actually wear my gloves today so I don't leave any fingerprints on my desk. So here we go. You know, some people get my hands in the picture. You know, some people actually get the hidden meaning behind this. Now, I'm not going to use any harsh chemicals this time. No orange juice, no mayonnaise, just water on a rag. All right, here we go.